Bisan kayo?
We are in the middle of nowhere.
It's a beautiful July 4th in New York. Friends picked me up to go jet skiing, but first, a car wash. Look at all the blue Cookie Monster spinning. Strut, strut, strut in a car wash. Pak! By the way, may OOTD. Ganda talaga. What a beautiful drive in the city. Welcome to Baldwin, New York, an hour away from New York City. Time to learn how to jet ski.
The perfect smile.
Meet Dino, our instructor. Magkano? Magkano?
Yeah, little man, you want to go? Oh, go hold that green button now and just head out to him.
Oh my God. Ayun na! Corey told me that we should swim. I said yes, and also we can have a solo pick with a jet ski. After I swam and she got her pick, I climbed and said it's her turn. You know what this bitch said? No, I don't want to get wet. Naloko ako ah. And I jumped in the water.
And I jump in the green water.
My turn to drive.
So winter na no? Kasi pwede ka mag-ice skate.
Ang winter. Walang ano namin.
What then? Can I turn it off?
No, do circles here when I tell you. You're going to go up. Don't give it any. I turn this way. I'm going to hit the gas for you, okay?
Thanks, babe.
Thank you, babe. Time to have lunch. So, how's your experience,
It
Odette?
was fun. We jumped. That's
Not on purpose.
We fell twice, but
How do you feel? How do you like our instructors and the one who's guiding us, Nick and Hunter? How do you feel about them? Do you feel something hot in your loins?
not really.
Okay.
Hunter doesn't
Trigger
really
you
do
that way?
No.
Okay.
I guess the other one, the one has a lot of nuts.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty cool,
That's
right?
Ano pangalan nun?
I forgot.
Edgar. Si Edgar.
Baho na.
Edgar. Sa akin sila lahat. Sige, kung
love
ayaw mo.
You can have it.
Diba? So happy na sa beach na tayo.
Yeah. Di mama to.
Inaw. Busog na ako.
Ang daming ano.
Daddy!
flag.
Welcome to Long Beach. Where is Long Beach?
In Long Island.
Taray, pumasa ka na sa test ha. Kanina di mo alam eh.
Hoy! Pag may dito sa gulan mo. Galit. Galit.
Sa bike lane. Hindi pa siya nag-barbecue. Masama ang mood niya. Sa bike lane daw kami. Eh bakit ba? Bisikleta kami. Hindi ba alam?
Pumipidal
Ako sa B1, ito si B2. Long Beach. I got ang line. The line to Riptide. Ano nga? Ulitin mo nga. Ay, taray. Uy, labot.
I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I never be ashamed.
Saba.
Atlantica, same shit. Siya pag-i-puri. Sabay na tayo kasi kung saan ang plastic. Check nyo na, tignan nyo na.
Ay. Oh my God. Time to go back to Queens. Happy 4th of July.
But I don't wanna use you. I'm getting so pretty.
Cheers! Happy 4th!
Ooh, love.